Okay, now back to the Weather Center with Brenda Serber on the latest on Hurricane Dorian.
Thank you, Brandy. We do have the latest advisories in. We do have the current spaghetti models. The 8 o'clock advisory, I've given it to you a little bit early today. So if you depends on what you're looking at. If you're looking at the tropical spaghetti model, the tropical spaghetti model shows us that Dorian's going to come in past the sucky part of the state to the middly part of the state. This is where you're going to see your most damage, your most wind, your most rain. Now, again, if we look at the American model, the American spaghetti model shows that it's going to skirt up towards, but by the legal part of the states where it's going to make landfall. It's going to go over the hot dog bag, and it's probably going to land over here and kind of mess some stuff up a little bit, especially by this little circle-y, this little niggly part right here. All right, then now we have the European spaghetti model. Now, the European spaghetti model, it's a little bit different. This one's showing us it's going to come through and go by the bread bag. The 6-pack holder's going to churn around there for a while. And it's probably going to be eaten up by the pile of garbage that is in the Gulf. Now, the last model, the Canadian model, is interesting because this one shows us it's going to come in. It's going to swoopy around the state, come in by the Solo Cup, and it's probably going to break apart by the Dirty Bandit. However, if it does go up to the top, it can intensify a little bit before it hits whatever this is over here. So what we're doing right now is we're advising everybody to kind of shelter in place, stay put. Any preparation should be done by now. If they're not, that's just too bad. So we're going to give it back to you in the field, Brandy Ferguson. Stay tuned for the next advisory. Probably won't be until tomorrow. It could be later on. We're not sure yet. We're going to wait and see. So go ahead, do what you got to do. Have a drink, relax, and yeah, just, you do you.
Thank you, Brenda Serber.